Hello, class, and welcome to week 7 of ACLT 053 online. For this week in ACLT 053 online, you will be reflecting on the health essay that you will be turning in for English 101. In English 101, you'll be completing peer reviews of each other's essays once you've finished your health essay. And in ACLT 053, you will be reflecting on the peer review process. So on the discussion board, you will see something that says Health Week 4 discussion post. And in it, you will be reflecting on the fact that you're doing peer reviews in English 101, and now you're going to write a 1 to 2 paragraph proposal of your essay's purpose and analysis of the common readings. So you're going to answer certain questions in this paragraph, like what is your topic, who's your audience, which sources from the common readings will you use, what information will you need to find, what information do you find in your own experience or research to support your point, and what do you want your audience to know or understand or believe by the end of the essay. Of course, you will be, in addition to writing the 2 paragraphs, you should be including at least 2 examples from sources and include an MLA style works cited entry. And of course, you're going to be responding to your to the posts of other peers. In addition to that, you'll be working on your blog at the end of the week for Health Week 4 Reading and Writing blog, where you reflect on what you've learned so far in ACLT 053 and in English 101 online. For more information, please check the calendar tab. You'll see that the discussion board posting is middle of the week, not end of the week this time. So please check the calendar for that. And the blog is still at the end of the week. So please check that. Please check the discussion board for the Health Week 4 discussion post. And I hope that this was helpful. Thank you.